Uploading files using LeapFTP. This tutorial assumes you already have LeapFTP and have it running on your computer, but not connected to another server. Now let's learn how to upload or transfer files from our computer to a remote server. Click the Sites menu here. Click Site Manager. Select the site we want to connect to. Then click Connect. That's it. We've successfully established an FTP connection with demo345.com and now have two windows open. Our local computer files are displayed in the window on the left, and our remote server files in demo345.com are displayed in the window here on the right. Let's navigate to the public HTML folder. Select the files we want to upload here in our local computer window. It is in here that we want to upload some files. Hold down the Control key to select multiple files for uploading. When ready, click the Upload icon here to start transferring the files to our remote server. Then click Upload. That's it. We've successfully uploaded the selected files to the remote server, and they are also displayed here in the remote server window. To demonstrate how to download files, we'll first remove a file from our local computer. Highlight the interest.htm file and delete it. Click Yes to confirm. Now let's download the interest.htm file from the remote server to our local computer. There it is! To close the connection to the remote server, click the disconnect icon here. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now know how to establish an FTP connection with LeapFTP and upload or transfer files to from your local computer.